This is a beautiful practice if you are desiring to get the energy to open and flow from your root chakra through your chakra system and out the crown of the head. This is the practice for you today. We will begin with warming our hands together, creating this heat. And once you feel the heat between your hands, cup your hands over your eyes. Feel that natural healing energy penetrate into your third eye, your seat of intuition. Set an intention. What is it that you desire? Is it something for your body? Is it something for your mind? Is it something for your spirit? Put it into words. And once you've formulated those words, bring your hands back in prayer pose. Bow your head to your heart. Lift that intention high up to the heavens. Release it. Know that everything will be blessed to you in perfect divine time. And as you bring your fingertips down to the ground, put a smile on your face. We're going to do a beautiful warm-up, getting the energy flowing from the root chakra up the chakra system, out the crown of the head. So inhale forward, exhale back. Make this a moving meditation by closing your eyes and rolling your eyes up and in and putting a smile on your face, focusing on that intention you set. Deep within. The next time you come center, bring it the opposite way. This is a practice that you can use at the beginning of your day to set you up with filling your body with prana and filling your body, your mind, and your spirit with whatever that intention is. It's also a beautiful, gentle practice you can enjoy at the end of the day to settle down, to let go of the day, and to release into a sweet night's sleep. You can even use this practice anytime during the day as a reset, to release anything or to even energize yourself. Next time you come to center, bring the spine straight. Take a deep inhale. And gently exhale. Bring the hands on the front shin. Inhale, it's like a seated cat-cow. Forward, exhale back. Make this a moving meditation. Closing your eyes with a smile on your face, rolling your eyes up and in. Start to slow it down. Bring the spine to center. And once you're at center, take a deep inhale, filling your body with prana, the life force. The prana will fill you up with energy if that's what you need. It'll help you to relax if that's what you need. And then gently exhale and release. Bringing the hands on top of the shoulders, fingers pointed forward, thumbs are back. Inhale to your left. I'm not mirroring you, so inhale to your left, exhale to your right. Twist it out, moving this energy. Make it a moving meditation. What you've created so far, you have opened and activated energy in the first, second, and third chakra. Now we're moving up to the heart and moving into the throat chakra. Knowing that you're creating this energy to feel grounded, to feel safe, that all your needs are being met, and you're also allowing that creative energy to flow in you and through you so you can birth anything it is that you're passionate about. And you're stepping into your power, your truth, while you open your heart. And as you open your heart, you feel safe to give love and to receive love. As we gently move the energy up to the throat chakra so that we can express ourselves in a loving way. Gently slow it down, coming to center, deep inhale, and enjoy filling up the body with prana. Exhaling when you're ready, releasing the hands, allowing the hands to rest palms facing up on top of your knees so that you can feel what it is that you've created in you and through you. Bringing the palms facing down on top of the knees or the thighs. Inhale the shoulders up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Close the eyes. Roll the eyes up and in at the third eye, knowing that you are releasing anything that's a weight on your shoulders that no longer serves you, so that you can feel free to speak your truth in a loving way. You can move quickly or slowly. Inhale the shoulders up, squeeze the shoulders, fill your body with prana. And when you're ready, release, just gently release. Pausing a moment. As we continue to move on the throat chakra to create that energy. Everyone's neck is different. If it's comfortable for you to bow forward and to take the head into neck circles, please do that. If it's more comfortable for you to inhale to your left, exhale to your right, whatever serves you, honor your body. And as you do it, roll your eyes up and in. Keep that smile on your face. If you're doing the neck circles, the next time you come forward, take it the opposite way. Bringing the head to center, take a deep inhale, filling your body up with prana. And exhaling and releasing when you're ready. Coming over into tabletop. In your tabletop, we will do some cat-cows, inhaling, dropping the belly to the ground, taking the gaze high up to the heavens. Exhaling, tucking the chin to the chest. Make this a moving meditation. Eyes can be closed. Focus on the third eye. Curl your toes under and push up into downward dog. If you wish to go into child's pose, honor your body. Gently bring the knees down to the ground. Sitting back on your heels, palms facing up. Inhale the arms high up to the heavens, coming up on the knees. Make this a moving meditation. Come back down on the heels. Inhale the arms high up to the heavens, coming back down onto your heels. Move with the sound of the song. On the next inhale up, open the arms, open the heart. Keep a smile on your face. Take a long, deep inhale. Exhale and come down into child's pose. Gently tuck the chin into the chest, curling up. And this is where I invite you to stay in a meditative posture or to move into Shavasana. Yogi's choice, honoring your body, mind, and spirit. Allow yourself to truly release and let go. Allow the sound to wash over you, in you, and to release anything so that you can be filled up with the Spirit and live your happiest and healthiest